Hi, how's everybody doing? This is Andy with Nowadays with Andy. Right now, as I'm doing this voiceover, I'm experiencing some ringing in my ears. That's a new feature in my life that happens at night after the noise and din of Santa Cruz has faded into darkness. And I am sitting here watching my videos and my ears are ringing. Not a pleasant experience. But anyway, I'm not here to tell you that. We're looking at some geese and some ducks and ducklings in the San Lorenzo River, just outside of downtown Santa Cruz, California, on the Central Coast, just about a mile inland from the Monterey Bay, our beautiful bay, which you can see in some of my videos, and soon you'll see much more. I need to get out to the beach more. Well, I've made a few videos today. Some were successful, some were not. And just trying to unwind. The ears have now stopped ringing. Hey, I wanted to mention the success of my channel is thanks to anyone who watches my videos, likes my videos, maybe makes a comment or shares it with somebody else. Things are taking off, and I'll have 1,000 subscribers by the end of this week, and I'm pretty happy about that. And my watch hours are starting to stack up as well, thanks to a couple of successful videos. But I really need to get into the long form aspect of creating videos for YouTube, an actual vlog. Right now what I have going on is a quasi-vlog. After these birds, I'm going to have a little bit of footage. I call it footage of a turtle. Here comes the turtle footage. And at the very end, a turtle that I saw the other day on the other side of the street, looking down onto the river from the other side of this bridge. So without any further ado, cue the turtle.
I keep seeing turtles.